Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone, and also to our madam, Madam Suhailati. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Siti Nurkhalisah binti Yusof, and I will be the first presenter for today's presentation. And then the second presentation will be ALISYA DHANIAH binti AZRI, and then the third presenter will be HAMIMI binti RASID, and lastly is will be presented by SABILA binti FARIDD. So we are from class 8F. So the topic that we will be presenting is environmental management accounting. So let's start. So over the years, global profile of environmental issue has risen significantly, and it was caused by these two major environmental issues. So first is volatile chemical leak. It happens because of poor management, which causing the leaking of toxic gas into the environment and causing many dead souls in India at the time. So the second one is Asian Valdez oil spill. Happens in the year of 1989, where there was an oil spill in the ocean and causing the depletion of local marine population in the US at the time. So these two major incidents has received worldwide media attention and also increased the concern over other major issues such as global warming, depletion of non-renewable resources, and loss of natural habitats. So business nowadays has become more increasingly aware of the environment implications from their operation, product, and also services. So next I read the definition of environmental management accounting. So based on IFAC, environmental management accounting is the development and implementation of environment-related systems and practices to manage environmental and economic performance. So it emphasizes on the costs related to the environment issue and also wasted raw materials. So example of environmental impact is like the water and power consumption, and then also the carbon footprint. So there are major areas for the applications of environmental management accounting. There are 5. First is product pricing, second is budgeting, and third is investment appraisal, fourth is calculating cost, and lastly is saving on environmental projects or setting quantified performance targets. Next, I will be explaining on environmental cost. So environmental cost is a cost that incurred due to poor environmental quality exists or may exist. So environmental cost can be classified into 4. First is prevention cost. So prevention cost is an expenditure made now in order to prevent the production of waste. So example is the use of paper by using digitalization document instead of the traditional by using paper, and also the use of projector and monitor at ET. So second is detection cost. So detection cost is an expenditure made to monitor how company activities affect the environment and complies with the regulations. So for example, by making continued efforts to meet regulatory requirements in countries and regions, by preventing and monitoring the air, water, and also soil pollution. Third is internal failure cost. So internal failure cost is incurred on a defective product before it is shipped to the customer. For example, improper workers exposure to hazardous chemicals and failure to comply with regulations. In this case, OSA, short form for Occupational Health and Safety Administration, which immediately exposes the company to significant liability. So This is what we call internal value cost. And then the fourth one is external value cost. This incur on a defective product after it is shipped to the customer. For example, Takata Airbag has recalled all its products since it can inflate without warning and can shoot out metal fragments to the driver and passenger due to exposure of variations of high temperature in the long term. So these are all the types of environmental costs that can be classified.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is ALISYA binti AZRI and I will be presenting on the challenges and benefits in adopting EMA. Okay, so what are the challenges in adopting EMA? First is the undeveloped communication. As you can see, there is a poor communication links between the accounting and other departments in an organization. As a result, the information used by the management for decision making may be inaccurate. Inconsistencies in the type of information system used by the accounting and technical departments also make it difficult to track and trace certain environmental costs accurately. Okay, so second is the shortage of resources. Okay, there are deficiencies in institutional capacities, untrained staff, shortage of resources, as well as inadequate baseline data and environmental monitoring. The factors that I have mentioned, it have been identified as some of the shortcomings in current regulatory systems in middle-income countries. Okay, so third is the unaware of information. Well, accountants are usually unaware of information improvements that could be gained by using EMA methodology when they designed an accounting system. Therefore, this causes difficulty for effective collection and evaluation of environment-related information. Okay, so next, what can be gained from implementing EMA? Okay, and organization's decision makers can use the physical flow information and cost information provided by EMA to make decisions that impact both the environmental and financial performance of the organization. Okay, therefore both private business and government organizations can benefit from it. First, I will explain to you on the benefits of EMA to the industry. Okay, the industry will gain the ability to more accurately track and manage the use and flows of energy and materials. These include the pollution or waste volumes, types, and fate. Okay, and they also gain the ability to more accurately identify, estimate, allocate, and manage or reduce cost, particularly on the environmental types of costs. Okay, and lastly, they will get a more accurate and comprehensive information for the measurement and reporting of environmental performance, thus will improve the company's image with the stakeholders such as the customers, the local communities, employees, government, and financial providers. Okay, so second is the benefits to the government of EMA implementation by industry. Okay, the more the industry is able to justify environmental programs on the basis of financial self-interest, the lower the financial, political, and other burdens of environmental protection on the government. Okay, and next is the implementation of EMA by the industry should strengthen the effectiveness by existing government policies or regulations by revealing to the companies the true environmental costs and benefits resulting from those policies and regulations. And also, the government can use the industry EMA data to estimate and report the financial and environmental performance metrics for the government stakeholders such as regulated industries or the industry partners in voluntary programs. Okay, so last one is the benefits of government implementation of EMA. Okay, so government EMA data can be used for environmental and other decisions within the government operations such as purchasing, capital budgeting, and federal facility environmental management systems. And the government EMA data can also be used to estimate and report financial and environmental performance metrics for government operations. Okay, so you can see that all sides receive a lot of benefits from the adoption of EMA. Therefore, to ensure that all organizations adopt EMA, they need to implement a stricter regulatory compliance, because if this choice is optional, many would not like to make changes even though they may be aware of the potential benefits of the system. They will view such change as not worth their while. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HAMIMI binti Muhammad RASID. I'm going to present 5 tiers of environmental costs. Many organizations vary in their definitions of environmental costs. US Environmental Protection Agency has stated it depends on how organizations intended on using the information. So, they define 5 tiers of environmental costs to distinguish all the costs. They are conventional costs, hidden costs, contingent costs, relationship and image costs, and the last one is societal costs. The first one is conventional costs. Conventional cost is a direct cost associated with capital expenditures, raw materials, and other operating and maintenance costs. Usually, conventional costs can be found in the accounting system. The example for conventional costs are the cost of electricity, fuel, and gas. All these costs give impact to the environment. The second is the hidden cost. The hidden cost is the hidden regulatory cost from the activities of the organizations. Hidden costs are often hidden in different overhead accounts. The examples of the hidden costs are the cost of searching for environmentally responsible supplier and cost of monitoring and reporting activities to comply with the regulations. The third tier is contingent costs. Contingent cost is cost that may occur depending on the outcome of an uncertain future event. Contingent cost also is contingent liabilities arising from failure to clean up contaminated sites. Examples of contingent costs are fines and penalties for non-compliance with regulations. Next, relationship and image costs. Relationship and image costs are costs that difficult to determine and have some influence on the value of some intangible asset. They are called less tangible because they are incurred to affect subjective perceptions of management, customers, employees, and communities. Usually, these costs include the cost of annual environmental reports and community relations activities, costs incurred voluntarily for environmental activities. For example, cost of environmental activities such as earth house and tree planting. They are being intangible because of the direct benefits that resulted from these expenses. The last tier is societal cost. Societal cost is cost that being imposed on others as consequence of their activities to the environment and society. They may not be held legally responsible and which cannot be compensated for in the legal system. For example, harm caused to a river due to polluted wastewater discharge.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is SABILA binti MUHAMAD FARIDD. Today, I'm going to present the impact of EMA. The impact of EMA can be divided into two, which are economic and social impact. Economic impact is a monetary benefits and overall economic development of society. It is a financial effect that has on a situation or a person. We can use environmental accounting method to measure economic impact. Social impact is a is involve both internal and external stakeholders. There are 4 elements to measure the social value creation. Next, we move to the measurement of economic impact. Economic impact can be measured using environmental accounting method. Environmental accounting method is method of calculation representing the environmental cost. It measures the cost of packaging, cost of collecting and disposing waste, and the cost of control system to minimize discharge into rivers and emission into air. Environmental accounting method is a system planning and managing the environmental performance that should reflect the managerial style and commitment of the economic entity management to the environment. For example of the economic impact is when company have leftover manufacturing materials. The company can recycle that materials and they will gain a monetary benefit as a result. This monetary benefit can be measured and it can be included in the report of financial statement. Okay, now I will explain on the social impact measurement. Social impact measurement has 4 elements which are input, output, outcome and impact. In this case, I will use company Mazda as the example to explain further about these 4 elements. Okay, the first element is input. Input is the resources invested in the activity. In this case, Mazda wants to improve their engine, which they want to make it more eco-friendly. So, in this stage, it will involve the cost of research and development. That cost is a cost that should be measured. Okay, the second element is output. Output is a direct result of business objective and goals. In this example, when Mazda create that eco-friendly engine, they can sell that output, that engine is that output to the customer. And the third element is outcome. Outcome is the changes that happen to the people resulting from the activity and program. For example, as a result from the selling of that engine to the customer, we can reduce the harm to society that was resulted from the level of carbon monoxide released from that eco-friendly engine from Mazda. And the last element is impact. Impact is the outcome less an estimate of what would have happened anyway. The impact of eco-friendly engine by Mazda has resulted in greenhouse practices that indirectly can save our earth. Okay, I think that's all from us. Thank you for watching.